guys, welcome to Technovish channel. Today here I'm going to solve the reflected accesses into attribute with the angle brackets HTML encoded. What do you mean by angle brackets HTML encoded? Let me open the lab first. So here you can see these are called like angle brackets, as you know. And if I went to I will go to search here. I press the search. Actually it's loading, but I already opened the same thing. Okay, so here you can see this is encoded HTML encoded, like and LT and GT means greater than symbol and less than. So what we can do now is we can just enter here like something else. So although we know like every tags are coming with the HTML tags, I mean this greater than and less than symbols, angle tags. So if it is not there, then it is not possible to like attack some websites with the tags, right? So what we can do is we can use some events also, like a on mouse over or some other techniques or some other events to get the like alert pop-ups. Okay, so what I will do now is I will use the HTML and not the tags, but I will use the on mouse over script. So what I will do now is I will just go to the this tag here and I will write one uh, uh, quotes and on mouse over, right? On mouse over, on mouse over, and again equal to, and again one double quotes and alert one, alert. This is too simple and easily understand by everyone. So this is how you can solve the lab. If you enter the like if you press the enter, this will give you the pop-up and it will show you like you have completed the lab. This is like how you can solve this lab. I'm just entering it now. Let's see what we'll get. See, we already solved the lab. If you go to here, it is pop up the alert function. Again I will show you. I'm going here. See, again it is coming here, again it is coming. See, this is how you can solve the HTML reflected attribute with the angle brackets are encoded. Don't worry about the tags. Without tag also we can do the accesses. Okay, so we can use the only events to get the pop-up, alert pop-up. Okay, this is how you can solve the lab, and I will go with the next one in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are getting the good knowledge from this, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you guys. Thank you.
If you liked our video, please subscribe us and press the bell icon. Thank you.